In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in ClickUp. Checklists are a simple, reliable way to break a task into clear, bite-sized actions so you can see progress and finish work with confidence. We'll walk through the interface together, and I'll point out a few tips to keep things clean and fast as you go. First, head to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and open the area where you manage your work. Make sure you're looking at the space, folder, or list that contains the task you want to organize. This keeps everything in context, so your checklist lives right inside the correct task. Next, click on View at the top. Views control how your tasks are displayed, and switching views doesn't change your data, it simply changes how you look at it. This is helpful because different views highlight different details. Now choose Board. Board View lays out your tasks as cards and columns, which makes it easy to scan, drag between stages, and quickly open the one you want. If you prefer another layout later, that's fine. The checklist you create will stay attached to the task no matter which view you use. Open the task you want to work on. The task will open in a panel or window. Scroll through the task details until you see the area for checklists. It typically appears beneath the task description and above the activity or comments. If you don't spot it immediately, keep scrolling. It's there, and once you find it the first time, it'll be easy to locate in the future. Click on Create Checklist. A new checklist appears in the task. In many setups, you'll also see a place to give the checklist a short title. This can be helpful if the task will contain more than one checklist, but it's optional. Click into the first line and start typing the to-do items you want to track. Press Enter to add the next item, and continue until you've captured everything. Keep each line specific and actionable. Starting with a clear verb makes it easier to scan, like draft brief, review copy, or attach files. If an item feels too big, split it into a couple of smaller lines so each box represents a quick, doable action. You can drag items to reorder them, edit text anytime, and check them off as you complete them. Everything saves automatically, so there's no extra button to click. And that's it. You've created a checklist in ClickUp. Quick recap. Open ClickUp, click View, switch to Board, open your task, create a checklist, and type your to-dos. Keep items short and clear and check them off as you go. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.